say you like penis?
Peanuts.
Some more rolls?
Do you like penis?
Yeah, I like peanuts. I don't want any right now. Dinner. Jake, quit it smart and get smart off.
They're just being, they're just being funny.
What video are you watching?
A funny one.
Oh my god, there's Alex again. Oh my god. Dude, I remember when he did that. Oh my god, so was at Ski Club last year. Alright, go to the next video. Dude, that was when he fell, wasn't it? Oh my gosh, I was remember he started crying. Last year, Alex was trying to do stuff me and him were doing at Ski Club, and he fell and he started crying, and we got it on video.
Oh man, that's really bad.